If you are tired of spending so much on different tools just to run your business, you probably have one for email marketing, another one for scheduling, another one for funnels. I can totally relate to how overwhelming and expensive it can be. And that's why you need an all in one product or platform that will literally change everything for you and for your business. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you why you will cancel all those subscriptions and how Highlevel can replace them all. And I will give you a full walkthrough so that you can see for yourself exactly how it works and how you can save yourself a ton of money. Let's dive in. If you are new here, you're welcome. My name is Victoria and I'm so glad to see you here. And on this channel, I share with you different digital and social media marketing strategies to help your business. So you are in the right place. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me comments below and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. The truth is that your tool stack look like this: $50 per month for email marketing software, $30 per month for scheduling software, and probably $97 per month for funnel builder. That's nearly $180 every single month just to keep the business running. And it isn't just the cost. Logging into different multiple platforms every day is a nightmare. And you have leads in one tool, appointments in another tool, and funnels yet in another one. Nothing talked to each other, and you are constantly copying and pasting data, missing leads, and wasting your time. But here comes Highlevel, which is an all-in-one marketing and business platform that replaces all of those tools: email marketing, SMS marketing, funnel building, appointment scheduling, CRM, and even website building, all in one dashboard. And it costs a fraction of all other tools combined. Let me show you what it actually looks like inside Highlevel. So this is the dashboard. This is where you see your revenue and customers overview. So total revenue in the last month will show up here. This is where your monthly recurring revenue will show. This is where you see your new customers, your new leads. I'll show you where those ones are, and your total customers will be here. And here you can see a quick glance of your growth rates, like a map of what your growth rate is, and you can know that, oh, I'm doing well or I need to do better. Now, another one that I want to share is this prospecting. This prospecting is so good. I mean, so good. I'm going to be covering the details of the prospect that is showing on my page. So basically, depending on wherever you are in the world, you have an AI recommending lead to you. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? It's recommending a lead for me right now, and from here I can see their name, their address, their niche, their email, their phone number, and I can just follow up with that. I can generate a report, sent to them, while contacting them and trying to get them on into my own business. Isn't this cool, guys? And another cool thing is, if you are somebody like me who have different interests, like you are interested in a lot of things, and those different things that you are interested in, they necessarily do not come together. Like you have interest in marketing, and then you have another interest in, say, politics, and you want to have the business side of both. You've got the opportunity for a sub account. So here is where you can actually create sub accounts for your business. So if you want to run more than one business at a time, then you have the platform. So this is one of my sub accounts, and as you can see from here, this is where the powerhouse is. So from here I can see my dashboard for my particular sub account. I can see the opportunity that I have. I can see my opportunity status. There's something called pipelines. That's you putting your marketing into pipeline, getting things stacked up, to give you the required results. This is where you see your conversions of all your pipelines. This is where you see your funnels, your stake distribution, and any task that is assigned to you already to do. This is where you see them, and this is where you see your lead source report. Now to the more interesting part. This particular place is where you see your conversations. So let's say you've got different emails that you've started sending email messages to, or your SMS. This is where you see them. Another good thing that I love about this is the ability to actually schedule appointments from inside here. So from inside here, you can actually create an appointment link for people, and then they'll be able to schedule an appointment with you, and your appointment will show up inside of this platform. So if you've got appointments, you'll be able to see your appointments, and you can also do your calendar settings, your preference. You can let people know your availability, when you are available and when you are not. And you can also make connections with other softwares. So if you want to connect an external calendar, or you want to connect a video conferencing software, or your Google organic booking, you can do all that inside of here. So the next one is your contacts. This is where you see your email list, the people that are subscribed to you, and you can also take bulk action from here. So from here, you can see their status, you can restore, you can set tasks for yourself, you can look at the companies under you, you can manage your smart list, your email, your SMS. And basically from here also, you can send a bulk email or bulk SMS or even bulk WhatsApp to people. Like, it's made life so easy for you as a business person. So this was the opportunity I was talking about earlier. Here you can add an opportunity. Basically what it involves is you adding the contact details of the prospective person that you want to follow up. So their email, their phone number, save that, and then you'll be able to follow up with this opportunity. You save it as new clients. Have they booked appointments? You can move it to appointment booked. Once their services is done, it will be shown as services completed. And the beautiful thing about this also is that you can change the headings of these things. It's not set on stone. You can add more, you can remove, you can edit as it fits your business. And payments, which is very important in any business model. So you have the opportunity to actually generate and send your invoices to your clients from inside of here. Basically, you can connect your Stripe and you can integrate any other payment gateway that you want. You just click on add new and you're all set. One of the features of Highlevel that actually blows my mind and intrigues me and makes me so happy is this particular one that I'm on right now. When you see posts on Instagram or Facebook and they say, oh, if you want me to share this particular file with you, comment yes. And then you comment yes, and automatically you receive a reply to your comments, or you receive a DM and says, oh, here is your download. Here is your file that you requested. You can download it by clicking on this link. Have you ever wondered how people do that? This is where you can do it inside of Highlevel. So basically, all you need to do is to connect your social media platforms for your business and you are good to go. You can connect as many as you want, and you can manage all your social media posts, schedule your social media posts from here, and even reply comments from inside of here. Isn't that cool? You can create a bulk scheduling, you can do evergreen posts, you can check out recurring posts, and you can generate feed. There's so much that you can do from inside of this platform, and I'm so happy for it. Now let's look at the email part, and this is the part where it shows your statistics for your email. You can create a campaign, you can see your campaigns, and from here you can actually create a template for yourself for your email marketing. So these are snippets that you can also add. You can do countdown timers for your email marketing. You can do trigger links. If you want to promote your business and you want to recruit affiliates into your business, this is where you manage it. You manage their payout, you manage the affiliate, you manage campaign, you see your dashboard, and you can even start publishing ads from the ad manager. Like, there's so much opportunity, a lot that you can do with this platform. Now let's get on to automation. Now, automation, as you know, is what makes your business your business. It is what keeps money in your pocket when you are sleeping. It means that you are not constantly doing business 24/7 and not having any time of your own. And that's where you want to be, right? A place where you can, go on holiday, sleep 24 hours, and you know that your business is on auto mode and things are running smoothly behind your back. So this is where automation lies within this platform. Here is the appointment confirmation and reminder. You can actually set that up for your clients such that once they book an appointment with you, they automatically get emails reminding them of the appointments and also what they need to do before the appointment day. This is a frequently asked question auto reply. You can add your own workflow. You can start from scratch or you can select a template. So if you decide to select a template, you can preview first, see what it looks like, and you can decide to choose template or preview another one till you see the one you want. Or you can decide to create your own, start your own from scratch. This is more for the techie people, but even if you're not techie, you already have a template that you can follow. Another beautiful thing about this platform is that you can actually create a functional website from here. So basically, from this sites of this Go High Level platform, as you can see, you can create funnels. So you can create a new funnel from scratch. You can use AI to help you to create your funnel, and you can choose from templates. They've got a lot of templates that you can choose from, a whole lot of beautiful templates that you can choose from to create a funnel to capture leads for yourself. This is the website part. You can start creating a website from scratch for yourself, for clients, for your business from here, and it is so easy to do. As always, you can create from scratch or you can choose from templates that they have. So basically, see how beautiful these templates are. Like, all you need to do is just to edit, just to put your own logo, your own tagline, whatever you want to add. You can customize any of these templates to reflect your own business. And no matter the kind of business that you have, whether you are a property investor or you are a dental clinic manager, whatever you are, there are website templates that you will find useful in here. All you've got to do is just to edit the pictures, edit the words, and just move things around as you want. It is so easy to do. They've got loads, a lot of templates that you can choose from. They've got for automotive, beauty and fashion, business coaching and consulting, creative, e-commerce, like finance, health and wellness, holidays, home services, insurance, real estate, restaurant and bar, hospitality, like a whole lot. You can even create stores. Like, you can create your own store where people will buy digital and physical products from your store. It's amazing. And you can host your webinar also. You can create a webinar funnel. You can host your webinar from inside of here. And another good thing is that you get analytics of everything that's going on in your business. You see your top countries. Of course, I'm in the UK, so that's why I'm having UK here. But wherever you are and wherever your prospects or leads are coming from, you get to know which country they are. You get to know whether they are using desktop or whether they are using their mobiles. You can create a blog. You can create a WordPress. You can activate WordPress from here, and you even have a client portal where people can sign in if you are offering a service like that, which leads me to the icing, the cherry on top of everything, which is memberships. Membership is so crucial. Community is important, and a lot of businesses, a lot of coaches need memberships. a place where they can host their community, where their community can be in one place and they can give the useful information that they want to disperse, at a time, and people can interact with one another. So basically, you have the opportunity to actually create a membership platform from inside of Highlevel. You can create courses. Yes, you can create a full stack course. Amazing, guys, amazing. And you can even sell your course in their marketplace. Another thing that I love that they are doing right now is that you can connect your Google business profile. You can easily send a review request to people who have interacted with your business, and this can help you a whole lot with ranking on Google. And you definitely can get a Google ads report, Facebook ad report, basically different ads report and how much you have spent, how much per conversion rate, and things like that inside of Highlevel. I mean, what else do you need in a CRM? Highlevel has everything that you think you need, and even the ones that you never thought that you needed to scale your business, whether as a creator, a business owner, an affiliate manager, whatever kind of business you are doing. Trust me, this CRM is a go-to, and I have partnered with them to give you an extended free trial. Usually, if you go through their website, you only get a 14-day free trial. But if you go through my link in the description box below, you are going to get a 30-day free trial just to try it out, see how it helps your business, and I'm sure that you will not want to leave. And the best part of it is that they give the best education and follow-up. They make sure that you get to use all the features, you understand how it works, and you always have someone assigned to you to actually answer your questions at any point in time when you have it. So why don't you give your business the chance to scale by using the link in the description box below to sign up for Highlevel and see the amazing things that you can do for your business. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in these other videos showing on your screen.